Hi, my friends. This is Miss Alexander, and today we're working with TechSmart on the different coding techniques we've learned. And today we're doing hero race. So let's look at how we can use blocks trait code. We'll arrange the blocks to make something happen during each frame. So here we go. I'm going to jump to the project and read what we have to do. It says breeze, flame, flash, and boulder. 4 friends who meet unexpectedly but had a lot in common. What are 4 adventurers to do when they meet? Why, race, of course. So here's our description of what we're going to do. I'm going to quick run the program so I can see what we have to do by the end. Okay, there's a whistle and it looks like they're racing. This looks pretty fun. Okay, now I'm going to get out and I'm going to see what we have. Oh, we have them at the starting line. So we have to hit the word next, you guys. It says features, boulder moves to the right, characters pause to wait for the whistle, and other characters move to the right. Oh, and then we have some challenge features. So here are the challenge features. Right now we're just going to worry about the original ones and go from there. So let's hit next. Boulder. So I'm going to click on boulder because I know that one we need first. And it says boulder moves to the right. It says create a new event every frame. So I'm going to go to code assist to timing. And it says every frame. So I'm going to do that. It says move me right by 100 pixels. So right here, move me, and it's 100 pixels. So ladies and gentlemen, what I did was I looked at the color, and the color was blue, so I knew it was motion, which said move me. Now it says to test this feature. Okay, boulder's moving to the right. Exactly what we wanted. So now I'm going to go next. It says boulder moves to frame, a single frame or set of actions that when repeated creates motion, move at a steady pace. And why does this movement look smooth? Very nice. We put the sprite in a slightly different spot each frame. It happens so fast that our eyes blur it together as movement. So we're still on boulder, but character pauses to wait for the whistle. So after 0 seconds, so I need to go to the timing and grab the after, and we're going to put a 0. And then wait 1.5 seconds. So I need the wait. If you notice, they're both brown. Wait 1.5 seconds. Okay. Now I'm going to hit next. This tells me all about why the events and why we're waiting. Now add to the after 0 seconds event, add after waiting, play whistle sound. So I'm going to go to sound, which is pink, and it's already got whistle. Test this feature. Okay, are we ready? That's pretty cool. Here we go, you guys. Let's go to next. Now we're going to go to splash, you guys. We're going to hit every frame. And we're going to move her, we've got motion. So it says to move her right 150. I'm going to hit next. We want smooth movement. How do we know this is faster than boulder? How do we know? Right, because 150 is bigger than 100. And what are the 2 ways we could get splash to move another way? We could say left instead, right instead, negative number. Good job. Let's go to flash, you guys. So it looks like every frame. So I'm going to grab the every frame, and it looks like we're doing motion. So I'm going to grab the motion, and right here, I'm going to do 130. And again, same questions. We want a steady pace. And now we go to breeze. Every frame. I like the every frame. That means they just go. I'm going to hit motion, move me, and this one says 200. And now it says test this feature. Here we go. Nicely done. Okay, you guys. Now I'm going to hit next. We're wanting a smooth movement. Yes, move at a steady pace. Breeze after a second. Okay, so we're going to go to our timing and grab after 1 second. I'm going to put a 1. Move me up by 300 pixels. So I'm going to say move me. We're going to say up 300 pixels, you guys. And now I'm going to go next. This is due in order. We got to practice several actions in specific order. And now we're going to do after 3.3 seconds. So I'm going to go back to timing and write 3.3, and it says move me down. So I'm going to quick grab this, and I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to bring it right over here, and we want to move it down. And now it says test this feature. Let's just test it out. See if it works. Yep, he goes up and down. That was kind of cool. Let's go next. We do this in a specific order so that we can get it to do what we want. Let's look at Splash. We want her to twirl. So after, oh, I need to quick delete that. Let's go to Splash, you guys. We're going to get the after 2 seconds, and it's blue. It says face me. So I'm going to scroll down and grab the face me, and we're going to face me left. Follow the directions. Oh, I didn't hit the word next. So in order, specific order, we want her to face left and then right. So we're going to create a new event. So we're going to do this. Nope, not every frame. After. We're going to say 2.2. And then we're going to have her face right. And this is so that she looks like she's spinning. And then 2.4. I'm just going to copy this whole thing. So I'm going to duplicate it because it looks like 2.4. We're facing left again. And we want it in a specific order, you guys. So we're going to have her face right again. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate. But this time it's going to be at 2.6. And now we're going to test this feature out. Look at that. She looked like she was dancing. That's kind of cool. And that's how I tested it. Notice how all I'm doing is following the instructions by hitting next, you guys. So Splash, she twirls while she runs. It's specific order, and it's every 0.2 seconds. Now we're going to go back to Boulder. It says after 11 seconds. So I'm going to come right down here to timing. We're going to say after 11 seconds. I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to duplicate it. We want it to play the whistle again. Let's check it out. Oh, that's kind of cool. Let's get to the next. How can we figure out the number 11 seconds? We can just watch the program and see how long it takes erasers to move over. Sometimes coding things, you just need to try things and see how they work. I think 11 seconds is too long. So I'm actually going to try 9 seconds because I want to hit it when they're heading off. And we just see boulder. I think that one's a little better. Now that we've done this and we figured it out, for my computer it's 9. For your computer could be 11, but sometimes you have to adjust some to make it work out. As you're doing this, take your time, have fun, and remember to always smile, giggle, and wiggle. I'll talk to you later. Bye.